In this video, I'll show you Shopify's pricing for 2026. You'll learn what each plan costs, what's included, and which one fits your business. Before we start, here's a quick tip. Want to save money on Shopify? Use the link in the description. You get 3 days free. Then pay $1 per month for 3 months. This is Shopify's official trial. It's the cheapest way to test it. See if it works for you. No commitment. Now let's break down the plans. Shopify offers 5 pricing plans: Starter, Basic, Grow, Advanced, Shopify Plus. All plans except Starter include unlimited products, 24/7 support, secure checkout, and access to the App Store. The differences are transaction fees, staff accounts, inventory locations, reports, and shipping discounts. Starter plan, $5 per month. What you get? Sell on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, SMS, and email. Add buy buttons to an existing website. Mobile optimized checkout. Mobile POS included. Access to Shopify apps. No full online store. Transaction fees are 5% plus 30 cents per sale. Example, on a $50 sale, you pay $2.80 in fees. You keep $47.20. Best for social media sellers who already have an audience and don't need a standalone store. Basic plan, $29 per month. Price, $29 per month billed annually, $39 per month billed monthly. What you get: full customizable online store, unlimited products, 2 staff accounts, 10 inventory locations, basic analytics and reports, abandoned cart recovery, discount codes, up to 77% off shipping. Transaction fees, 2.9% plus 30 cents per sale. Third-party payment fees, 2%. Example, on a $100 sale, you pay $3.20 in fees. You keep $96.80. Best for new businesses launching their first online store with basic features. Grow plan, $79 per month. Price, $79 per month billed annually, $105 per month billed monthly. What you get: everything in Basic, 5 staff accounts, 10 inventory locations, standard reports and analytics, up to 88% off shipping. Transaction fees, 2.7% plus 30 cents per sale. Third-party payment fees, 1%. Shopify POS Pro available at $89 per month. Example, on a $100 sale, you pay $3 in fees. Best for growing stores with regular sales that need better reporting and more team access. Advanced plan, $299 per month. Price, $299 per month billed annually, $399 per month billed monthly. What you get: everything in Grow. Up to 15 staff accounts, 10 inventory locations, advanced custom reports, third-party calculated shipping rates, automatic duties and import taxes, up to 88% off shipping. Transaction fees, 2.5% plus 30 cents per sale. Third-party payment fees, 0.6% extra. Example, on a $100 sale, you pay $2.80 in fees. You keep $97.20. Best for high-volume stores or businesses selling internationally with complex shipping needs. Shopify Plus, starting at $2,300 per month. Price starts at $2,300 per month. First month costs $399 for new users. What you get: everything in Advanced. Unlimited staff accounts, 200 inventory locations, dedicated account manager, custom checkout pages, automation with Shopify Flow, priority support, 99.99% uptime guarantee, platform migration in under 90 days. Best for enterprise businesses doing millions in annual sales. Extra costs to budget for. Beyond your monthly subscription, plan for these expenses. Transaction fees: if you don't use Shopify payments, you pay extra fees. Starter adds 5%, Basic adds 2%, Grow adds 1%, Advanced adds 0.6%. Payment processing: credit card fees range from 2.5 to 2.9% plus 30 cents per sale depending on your plan. Apps: most stores use 3 to 10 apps, budget $20 to $200 per month. Premium themes: free themes are available. Premium themes cost $100 to $300 as a one-time purchase. Domain name: around $12 to $15 per year if you buy through Shopify. Shop Pay Installments adds about 5 to 6% per transaction if you offer Buy Now, Pay Later. Shipping costs. Discounts help, but you still pay actual shipping fees based on carrier and destination. How to choose your plan. Match the plan to your current situation. Starter, $5 per month. Basic, $29 per month annually. Grow, $79 per month annually. Advanced, $399 per month annually, plus $2,300 plus per month. All plans include core e-commerce features. Choose based on your business stage and needs. Click the link in the description to start your trial. Get 3 days free, then 3 months at $1 per month. Thanks for watching.